Oh, action.
Number 7. Okay. Given an unknown single vision lens, determine the location of the principal meridians on one lens only. Okay. This is where you find a line in the room, and you need to make it straight. So you're going to look through the frame, or look through the lens, find the line in the back, and turn it until it's perfectly lined up. Can you see that? It's hard to see it.
We know what you mean.
Oh yeah, actually. No, you hold that because I only have so many hands. Okay, it's hard.
Okay.
I know what you're saying, but it's hard. So if I'm looking at the edge of the blackboard, I want to make sure that the line through the frame is straight with the edge of the blackboard. You're going to take your non-permanent marker, and you're going to, it's hard to see it, yeah. And you're going to line it up and down.
Yeah.
And then...
No, I'm going to hold this in front of you, look through the camera, and...
It doesn't need to be exact, you understand the point. Make it straight.
Okay, I can't.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so you're going to figure that out. You're going to cross it. I would cross it with a ruler just because I'm OCD.
It's a good plan. You have time. It's 3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes.
Well, the reason you have 3.5 is because you give you 30 seconds in between stations. So what we try to do the first time is make sure everybody waited 30 seconds before they, and then people just, as soon as they change, they start. So we just let them do that. So when we say rotate, you just rotate the jump right in. So you end up getting about 3.5 minutes.
Okay.
Give or take a few seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, so then once you mark your X, again you're going to take your protractor, I believe. And
will that X be marked every time?
not on this one. This one you have to find.
You're marking.
Yeah, but isn't the person before you going to be marking it too?
Yeah, we're gonna erase it.
I'm sure there will be somebody at that station erasing.
Yeah, he's already trying to figure out ways to kind of. But remember, that's.
Do you have faith in those people?
Right.
No, but I'm just saying, like.
No offense meant to anybody, but do you have faith in those
I'm
people?
following you. Hell yeah, I do.
You start station 1, well, I'll just be one by one, we won't change anything, don't worry.
It did happen last year, I have to say, that somebody marked something wrong in a whole group. It was so funny. I said, why are all these people
That's what the curve's for, though.
And somebody messed up every because they did the same thing. They didn't look at their own, and they put what somebody else had, and they all got it wrong. Not a good move.
Okay, so you're going to mark your edges, and then again you're going to come to the protractor, put the X in the center, read it. So in this one it happens to be at 90. I'm going to read 90.
You read from what? Left to right? The outside number?
You're going to read the outside number because your temples are towards you, so the outside numbers are correct. So the 90. And then this is part of it. This is
no, but this thing that has
circle.
Okay, good.
The exact protractor will
the
be
circle will not be there. I put that there.
No, I know, but I'm just saying so people.
But just know that. Okay. So 90, and then you're going to know that 90 degrees away from 90 is 180.
Got it.
Is that what we put in our answer sheet?
Now I asked you to identify which one is with rotation and which one is against rotation on this.
Not on that one.
Actually, it's number 7. Says you will be asked to identify which one's with rotation and which one's against. So they do ask you to identify which one's with and which one's against rotation. That's not motion. So when you're rotating, you find the places where it lines up. And one of the meridians is going to rotate with your hand, and then the other meridian it'll rotate against. Which she's just asking you which one's with and which one's against.
So which one is it?
You're gonna
looking at it.
No, I'm saying width is what? Plus?
Width is your minus.
Width is minus.
And plus is your against is your plus.
For with rotation.
And it doesn't mean that you have plus power in that meridian. And if it's with rotation you have minus, it just means the minus one is less plus than the other meridian. Okay?
Can I just say the degrees? Like 90 degrees?
She wants to know the degrees and if that was with motion or against motion.
Just look at the thing.
Got it.
So when you're turning it.
Look
Yeah.
like this.
And every paragraph has one of each. People get confused when I say, so what if they both minus? They can both be minus power.
But it's going to have more motion.
Yeah, exactly. More minus than the other. Or less plus.
Are we done with this one?
Yes.